Welcome back to another vlog. We're here at the airport with Joy Sola, of course. Very fresh and blooming. Teka lang, blurred ka, girl.
Ay, blurred pa ako.
Hintayin natin mag-focus. Ayan, hi! And my sister Iza, hi! We're flying to Davao today for the makeup workshop tomorrow. And today, magliliwaliw kami. Sobrang saya namin today. We're now here at Cape Manila before our boarding. Ito yung itsura ng Cape Manila. It's so cute. O, diba? Cape Manila. And then this is the interior. It's so cute. Red and white. Diba? Ayan. Tapos nakakatawa pa yung mga ng ano nila, ice coffee, ano? Yung sizes. Tangkad, damulag. Tangkad means tall. Damulag means small. O, diba? Hi, ate. Good morning. At mura ang tubig nila. It's only 25.
Damulag is mas malaki?
Ay, oo nga, no? Ay, sorry, mali ako. Hindi pala, sorry. Damulag pala, mas malaki sa tangkad. Ay, sorry. Ba't wala kayong maliit?
Cute.
Cute? Saan yung cute?
Cute naman yung isa.
Ay, okay, sorry. Ay, sorry. Ano nga, no? Baby damulag. Oo nga, malaki. Ay, I got Nagaraya double cracker nuts. And, Joyce, magkano to, Joyce?
35.
Grabe. Gusto ko sana yung Nova, pero wag na lang kasi 50 pesos. Okay na yan. Nag-ride tapos water. Okay na yan, girl. We're now boarded in the plane.
Wish to be reseated, please notify your cabin crew at this time.
With Iza, of course,
May
sa may
we
windows
also
ng
request that you stow on your bags in the overhead bins, as the area should be kept free from loose articles. Thank you. Pinakikiusapan po lamang namin ang lahat ng found in the service panel above you. Please be reminded that this is a no-smoking flight. Once again, cellular phones may not be used for the duration of the flight. Thank you. Ang inyong pansin po lamang. Ang fasten seatbelt sign ay tinanggal na. Para sa inyong magsasan, mangyari po lamang.
We're now in Davao. We're just waiting for the, actually, we already have the bag. We're just waiting for the tripod. Ayun, Kuya is helping us. Porterage. Oh, ayan. Hello. Takot ka ba? Hindi naman. Dito. So we're just waiting for the car. We're passing by this really huge durian. I wasn't able to take a photo with this before. But diba ang cute? So you're seeing different colored taxis right there. So meron green, meron pink. And they informed us, when I first visited Davao, they informed us that we should ride yung mga colored taxi. I'm not sure why. I love it. Atawid, okay. Dito kayo. Tingnan mo dito yung screen. Dito kayo. Now here at the Waterfront Insular Davao Hotel. Ayun ang itsura. Okay, we're not gonna check in and then we're gonna go eat lunch kasi ang sakit naman tiyan ko. Gutom ka na, Joyce? Ako gutom na ako. Gutom ka na, no? We're now walking to our room and we just saw the beautiful beach back there. Oh my gosh. We can't wait to go there. Bakit sila sila? Ano yun? It's so beautiful here. Joyce, no? Diyos ko, ang ganda. Kakalurky. Kuwagutu. Kuwagutu. Ito ata yung tawag doon, yung conference room for tomorrow's workshop. It's so beautiful. We're going up to our room. excited na kami. Medyo malas lang kami ni Joyce ng konti sa swimming, if you know what I mean. Ayun! Pero, oh my gosh. O, diba, no smoking. City ordinance yan. Nakakatuwa ang Davao. Ito, okay na ito, Mirano?
Pwede.
Uy, ang lamig. 2 to 3?
Ito na.
2 to 2?
Where's the...
Okay lang yun. Ayan na, Joyce.
Come on.
Buksan natin. Ay, tanga. Sabi ko. Oh my gosh, nahuli yung katangahan ko. Oh, ayan. Oh. Pareho tayo lang. Uy, kitang-kita yung pool.
I'm sorry, Isa. Excited lang.
Kitang-kita yung pool. Boom! Oh, Ayla, paano ka lalabas? Sandali. Can I? May I? No? Yes? Oh, ayan na. Meron pa kaming terrace dyan. And then, oh my gosh! View talaga ng beach! So, ganda. Thank you, kuya. Look at that! Shucks! The beach! The beach!
We need veranda.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Grabe. Hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko na alam. Joyce, ang ganda. Bahala na yung time of the month natin. Lulusot na tayo.
Where, ano nangyari? Lulusong ako dyan.
Oh, I love
Ikaw,
it.
lulusong.
It's so pretty. Yeah! Ano yan?
So yun, mag-ano lang kami, guys. Sandali.
Sige, this is my OOTD. All from For Me. For Me! Ayan, yung someday. Actually, I got this sweater from Davao. Dito sa, sa Abriza Mall. Doon For Me ko siya. And then I have my shorts from, ano din, For Me din. O, diba? All For Me. I love, oh, let's check out the CR. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, wala siyang bathtub, so okay lang yan. Nakakatuwa. I love it here. Diba ang ganda, Joyce? Talaga manghihinayang kapag di ka magsiswimming eh. Kaya kahit mayroon ka, go na girl. Swimming ka na girl. Oh, kamusta naman Isa? Oh, look at my sister's top. It's from Chika Booty. Medyo pokpokish kasi dahil dito. Hindi pokpokish. Pero may butas kasi kulang ng tela. Pero ang ganda. Parang siyang jersey. Diba sa? Oh, and she's our photographer for today and tomorrow. So she needs to take beautiful photos of us. Na walang bubble chin na. Outfit change. I'm wearing a peplum top. Hindi ako buntis, girls and boys, okay? We're gonna go out to eat lunch at Marina something. Nakalock na yun, sa? Nilock mo yung, ano, baka may pumasok sa loob. Hey, girl.
Yep.
Let's go.
Hey,
Ayan.
girl.
Freshened up na kami. Matte na ulit.
Then, kakain na.
Yes! Kakain na tayo.
Nasa yan, no?
Saan? Ay, shucks, naiwan ko, sorry. Andyan na. We're here at Marina Tuna, home of the best tuna and seafoods. Is it really the best? Let's check it out. Ay, may sumasayo na balloon. Cute.
Sarap daw dito. Try namin.
Ha? Okay, so we are now ordering, and I ordered myself this tuna belly grilled. Ayan, and then both boys and I ordered durian chicken because we want to try it. I actually tried it before and I loved it, and I forgot the taste. Now I want to try it again, so we're gonna see. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry.
Bagay-bay mo. Bagay-bay.
Bagay-bay yung balls. Baka yun yung password. Bagay-bay is the balls of the tuna. Tama?
Yes.
Yeah. What's your name? Jenna. Jenna. Hi, Jenna. Yeah, that is how the, Marina Bay tuna looks like. Ayan. Si Duterte, o tingnan mo.
Saan siya dyan?
Ayan o. Naka-vest na blue. Okay, ang password dito ay Bagay-bay. Okay? Marina Tuna Resto Bagay-bay. Okay? Uploading photos on Instagram. Of course. Naka-Joyce, di ako makain ng raw. Papanoorin kita.
Ay, talaga?
Yeah. Joyce ordered tuna sashimi ba? Sashimi? Ayan. Medyo mahina ang tiyan ko sa raw, pero let's watch them eat. Ito ba yung wasabi?
Yes.
Wasibi? Oh my gosh, wasibi. Puro naman ako katangahan sa vlog mo, Joyce.
Ano ba? Hindi.
Ano ginawa ko katangahan kanina? Yung ghee, papasok ko. Yung pala top lang. Ngayon sa sashimi.
Try mo kaya kumain?
Ay, ayoko. Sakit yan.
Oh, talaga?
Allergy. Ayan.
Pinas Asher.
Go nga, Joyce.
Yes. So excited. Let's see kung fresh na siya. Ikaw, try mo nga. I
I said, mama. This is our durian shake. Oh, ayan na, girls. Yummers. Ayan. Sana meron kami extra hands, no? Para kami mag-enjoy yung mga extra kamay namin. Mag-Instagram, mag-picture, mag-play. Amoy siya. On. Masarap sa. Kunin natin ang first impression ni Joyce. Akin na, Joyce. Sige. Ayan, first impression. Namnamin mo muna.
Malinam na.
Diba? Masarap, diba? Oh, love it.
Sige, ikaw. Dahil nakalimutan mo na.
Second. Amoy, pero ang sarap. May amoy talaga, no?
Oo, pero...
Naamoy mo tapos pag, sarap. My tuna belly's here. Oh, yes. Tuna belly. Get in my belly, tuna belly. And then, Joyce ordered kare-kare.
Tuna kare-kare.
Anong kare? Tuna rin. Tuna. May peanut niya, no? Peanut butter.
Maybe.
Oh. Sinong garlic rice? And then, ano ito? Teppanyaki siya? Teppanyaki. Tuna rin. Tuna rin.
Solo yung may rice. Kasi,
Mukhang masarap sa. Try mo.
Tuna belly, say.
Hindi mo ka rice.
Tuna kare-kare.
Ano yan? Ano yan, Joy?
This is bagoong. For the kare-kare.
Oh.
And then, ano
Oh my God, looks yummy.
Tuna rin.
Magiging tuna na kami paglabas namin dito. Oh, the tuna bell is really yummy. As in, super yummy. I love the achara. Everything's really yummy. Sarap. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom.
Try mo.
Kare-kare. Sabi yung order mo?
Ayaw.
We're done eating. Tuna overload. Medyo antok na nga kami. Ako antok. Thank you, Joyce! Tinweet niya kami. Ayaw niya kasi. Tinweet niya kami. Thank you, Joyce!
Deleted.
Thank you! Ayan. Abos na lahat. So, we're now gonna head back to the hotel. I-explore namin yung hotel. Beach kami. Ang saya kasi walang tao. Okay. Lagi na. Magsaya na tayo. Okay, so we're now back in the hotel and we're just gonna roam around. They have this huge space. Parang pwede ka dyan ikasal or whatever. Then we're walking towards the beach area. Ayan yan. Oh my God, sobrang ganda. Kakalurky. And it's actually very quiet. There's not much people around. As in, parang kami nga lang eh. Or wala lang tao talaga nag-swimming. It's mainit. Perhaps. Oh, it's so refreshing. Breathe in fresh air. Oh my God, ang ganda! Grabe laki, no? Ganda yung workshop. It's so beautiful. We're back in the room. Just resting. Ang sakit ng paa ko. Hello. My bedmate. It's the bitch. Oh, ba't ngayon magtatago ka, arte? Sabi kakama ko to.
Oo.
Kasi naman kami, syempre, payat ako eh. Doon tayo ng tebe. So, I basically slept until 5 p.m. And now we're almost ready na for dinner because we're gonna have dinner at Jack's Ridge with friends Emma Fe, Joanne, and Carla. This is my outfit of the night. Lahat kami naka-blue. Wala lang, gusto namin naka-blue kaming lahat. Si Isa naka-blue. Si Joyce naka-blue. Ito nga, Joyce.
Yeah.
O, diba? Ang cute. Adali, Powerpuff Girls.
Oo nga eh. Tsaka
Powerpuff
iba-ibang color
Girls.
ng ano.
Ang cute natin,
diba?
Shocks. Love it. This is my makeup station, so I just used my Smokin' palette from Makeup Academy today. So I have on my eyes the violet color. So beautiful. This one and even the this one, the medyo bronze color. And then of course for my foundation, L'Oreal True Match. And then Eliana blush, powder, Duty Time palette. Isang shade lang from that. And then on my lips, actually, I have a mixture of like colors. Yan pala, may patungan pala ako. Ayan. Pero the last shade I applied is Addis Ababa. So pretty. I look kind of yellowish because of the light. Ayan. Let's clean this up. I'll just bring this with me. Actually, magpa-powder ako yung powder primer. Yeah. Powder shots. Prama. Powder Prama. Pero tayo picture. Saan?
Oo. Pero baka tayo may set. Ay pa. Shit, nag-record ka pa.
Okay lang yun, sorry. Sige nga. Kaya ba?
Kaya niya. Sorry ka.
Hey, parang eyebags pa.
Filter na lang.
Heading to dinner, and we have this live organ player. Naka-blue kaming tatlo. Makita niya. I vlogged about the exact same place when I went here last year. We're here at Jack's Ridge. Super pretty. Medyo madaming tao. Last time pumunta kami nakatao-tao eh. Ayan. So pretty here. We just place our orders. Hindi namin sila Carla. So, syempre mag-ano na kayo starters, sizzlers, calamares, gambas, sisig, and soup. Bango ng pagkain kasi may nag-order doon. Eh, alit na yung electric fan na sobrang laki. Naamoy namin. Love it. Look who's here! It's at Emma Fe. Hi! Pinky Rice Girl. Si Kuya Chris. O, Kuya Chris talaga eh, no? Hi. Si Mantoy. Hi! Ganda. O, diba?
Nasaan yung isa?
Ano tingin mo?
Ayun, nagsasabalo.
Hi, Jake. Nice hair, Jake. Vlogception yan. So we're just waiting for Carla and Joanne na lang. This is calamares. Ayan. Yeah. Dress to dress. Sige, ito muna. Lingerie ka ba? Size ko siya.
Ako namili niya.
Size up, size ko. Thank you. Ito yung ready na rin.
Hi! Native Joanne.
Ay, ang cute! Oh my God! May ganito siyang dress na white.
White?
Oo! Uy, ang cute! I love it!
A lot of camera.
Si Carla Misa! Hi, Carla! Oo nga, game. Vlogception pa tayo. Oh, I love your bag. Oh, bongga girl. So, si Joanne na lang ang wala. Joanne sa ka na, girl. Ano oras na, girl? Si 8 na. We have gambas. This is gambas. We have rice, sinigang na baboy. Si Carla nakakaloka. Pinabalik niya yung mama niya. Kala niya naiwan niya yung camera niya. Yun pala nasa bag lang niya. Nakakaloka. Bumalik sila.
Dami kasi secret pa.
Nakakaloka. Ang saya. Sobrang vlogging tayo dito. I'm using this Go-Go Flash. O, diba? Panggabi. Ang cute, no? Don't look directly. Masakit sa mata. Oh, let me take a picture. Both of you. Smile! 1, 2, 3. Para paggabi hindi grainy yung photos.
Ay, parang ganyan.
Ay, sorry. Diba? Hindi siya grainy. Oh, happy birthday! Oh, cute! you, thank you.
For the management has started job with some of the rest of them would like to give a happy birthday celebration to you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Happy birthday. Birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you.
Aww, so sweet. Nakita ko si Ate Elma. Thank you, thank you.
Wish you more birthdays to come until you reach 110.
Yay! Thank you. Thank you. Ganda ng boses nila.
Lamig, no?
Oo.
Lamig na niluluto.
Nakakatawa pala si Mantoy in person. Nakakatawa. Napanood ko yung vlog. Okay, so everyone's now here. Sobrang kompleto na kami. Super fun. Ayan o. Oh, diba?
Wag na?
Joanne! So fun. Ayun lang, may table na here. It's raining. Look at that. We're now done eating, just waiting for the bill. We just finished taking the group photos. Ang saya-saya talaga dito sa Davao. Kalurky. Kala! Kala!
Hi!
Kaloka. Joanne. Joanne! Jo! Jo! Uminit? Alakas kasi ng ulan, tapos biglang uminit. Kaloka. If you didn't know yet, Ate Emma Fe here, she has a vlogging channel with her husband Chris. Oh, ate, ano yung channel mo, ate? Go.
Pinker Rice Life.
Oh, di ba? Imposible hindi niyo alam kasi madami na nakakaalam. Matagal na siya nag-YouTube. I'm so happy I met her again. Second time na kami second time na. I'm very supportive husband, Chris. Next time, B, magmimita talaga kayo ni Chris. Si Mark.
Oh.
You will meet Mark na next time ulit. So we're calling it a night. Sobrang saya. As in, sobrang saya talaga pagkasama yung mga Davao YouTubers. Super saya. As in, super saya. I love it! See you again, Ate Fem!
Kailan
See you
kayo balik
again.
ulit?
Text kita ulit. Or ano, hello! See you again! Oo nga, Carla. Balik ulit eh, no? Ha?
Tonight, ayun po masyaya.
Ano, si Joyce. Joyce, gusto mo ba umalis?
Hyper! I believe that you and me, yok! Bakit kita, girl? Oh, sige na.
Now calling it a night. Let's see bye to everyone. Bye! Bye, Ate Em! See you again.
Balik kayo, ha?
Oo, balik kami kasama si Man. Okay, we're back in the room. Tawa ko natawa ni Jess. Kasi tinatanggal ko yung shoes ko and may nag-doorbell. Nahulag ako. Nagulat ako. Ay nako. Para ba naman? They were talking about this hotel being haunted daw. Pero ayoko na i-vlog, natakot na ako ulit. Tapos kakalood lang namin yung exorcism, blah blah blah. Joyce, close mo nga yun. Tawa. Tawa si Joyce. Eh kasi yung doorbell parang surround sound. Kaloka. Ayun, we're gonna get ready for bed. And yan. I-end ko na nga. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.
Bye!